Well, load shedding is somewhat of a bummer these days. So in this video, we show you how to manually cap the printhead and store the machine until the power comes back on. Let's ask an AM technician for advice.
When your power goes off unexpectedly, here is what you do to manually cap your printhead. First thing, open the side panel. So when you open your panel, onto the far right, you will see a gear wheel with some teeth. Now, depending on the cycle of your cap station, here is what you do. First, turn it towards you or to the back. Then you see the movement of the cap. It's either going up or it's going down. As you can see now, when I turn it towards me, it's actually going up. And when I turn it to the back, it's actually going down. That's how it caps. So now you know which way it caps. So now what you are going to do is to take off the cover from the printhead. Now what you have to do is to manually move your carriage to the capping station. Now for the next step, use a torch to align your cap and your printhead. Then if you kneel down, you can see both cap station and the printhead. Then try to centralize your cap onto the top of the head. Then as you move that wheel that I showed you previously, move it towards you, you will start to see the cap going up towards the head. Then continue turning it until it fully touches your printer head. How do you know that your head is fully capped? I will show you. So as you continue to turn your wheel, you will see at the end of this round bar, there is like a square shape that is at the end. So it has to be upright, 90-degree angle. Then you know your head is fully capped. Now that's the capping. Now we close here, then we're gonna move to the back and make sure that you switch off the machine. The reason why we switch off the machine is that when electricity comes back, we don't want any power surge to damage your printer. There's one thing left to do, is to lock your waste pipe. The reason why we do this is to avoid the airflow to your head. And that's it. You have manually capped your printhead.
You certainly don't want to damage the printhead. That's expensive to replace. And here is just a quick note to bear in mind. Insurance companies are refuting claims caused by power outages on the basis that they are planned events. Just remember that. And also remember, you can call am.co.za for any further information you may require.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. And ambitious academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.